right, guys, so we're back at it. Let me straighten my camera up here. They lined a race up for me when I got here against this Monte Carlo over here. Clean looking car. We're gonna see what we can do tonight. Hopefully I don't sleep on tree. He had me covered all the way around. But hey, I do appreciate a good run. That just means I need to do a little more to this thing. Thank you. 629 at 115.9. I slowed down just a little bit. He cut my head off on the tree. I went a .438 on a pro tree. He went a .175. Good job on that. But he had me covered out of the way. 614 versus 629. Guys, look at this. We got a street car getting pushed up to the line to race me. They are pulling out every stop. I literally ran about 15 minutes ago. 15 minutes ago, I literally ran. And these guys are pushing their car up here. Come on, are you serious? Ain't that a street car? Yep. I just got through running like 15 minutes ago. Do what?
No. Tell me yourself taking a shit? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm putting the car together till 2:30 in the morning.
Drivers leaving at the exact same time.
Take that shit home. Take that shit home.
Again. Thank you. What we do? What we do?
Fastest car in Jackson.
They claim to be the fastest car in Jackson.
Let's go. That's funny. You gotta push a car to the line and still get gapped.
Damn, that felt good. Thank you. 613 at 118. Fuck yeah. Woo! That's still on 100, baby. All right, guys, so we're still on the 100. However, I did switch over to the Grip Tech 100. But car's running really good tonight. 2200 DA, 80% humidity, so it's not really good air, and the car did really well. But we adjusted a couple things, and the car is doing really well. We are on, like I said, on the Grip Tech 100. I do have a 95, but I'm not going to throw it on tonight. Save that for another time. But we do have a 95. But I wanted to come out tonight and test a few things we was doing to the car, and test the with the Grip Tech 100 on it. And so we're still full weight though. It's still got all the weight. Daryl even ran his personal best pass.
620, what, 7?
627.
Same mile per hour.
Still got a stock converter. Telling you, get a converter. We just had a customer with 355 gears, got a converter. went 920 flat in the quarter and 593 in the 8 with a G3R on 100 millimeter. So
he's G3R.
Yeah.
Where, I'm the poverty.
We're gonna get the G3R eventually.
I'm not even an X. Look at that wheel in there. It's a cast wheel.
Spinning that baby. So we're gonna run a couple more passes tonight, but we're also helping a few guys up here to run as well. Humidity's like 80% humidity. It was 2200 DA earlier, so humidity's up all week long. Like the humidity was down, it was cool. Friday come along, temperatures spiked back up. I was like, ain't that up? You know what? Thank you. We are left lane. 617 at 117.5 with a 15060. Daryl did a 631 at 119. He picked up mile per hour. I dropped a little mile per hour. .616 at 118. So there you go, 149.60. .614 at 117.8 with a 147.60 foot. There you go. All right, she's doing good, guys. The car is doing really good. They wouldn't let me and Daryl run again with each other because somebody broke in the right lane right before we got ready to make our pass. So they put some fluid on the track, and of course it's late, so no sense in cleaning it up. I do want to run that Monte Carlo again. They were pretty cool because they went a 614, and now I'm right there with them. So it would like to get another run with them. Maybe one of these weekends we will. All right, guys. So did our personal best pass tonight in both cars. You went a 627.
Yep, 627 at 119.
119. I did 613 and a 614 and a 617. So had some really good passes tonight. The car's doing really well. But anyway, guys, that's enough rambling for right now. I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.